If you are serious about YouTube channel growth, there's a security mistake you are probably making right now, and it's costing some creators everything they have built. If your channel's email is public, then hackers most probably know this, and they are using this to take channels down. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's happening and how to protect your YouTube channel before it's too late. Here's how it works. Scammers go through your channel homepage and get your email from the channel more info section and send you a fake brand deal email. Now, this email looks clean and written in professional language, and it goes ahead to mention your channel name and make it feel personal and legit. They say something like, would love to collaborate, blah, 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 and they'll end with something like, find our agreement attached. Now, you download the file, and that's the moment everything goes wrong, because the file drops malware on your device, steals your saved passwords and browser session data, and because you are already logged into Google, they gain access into your Gmail, your YouTube Studio, and your whole account. Once inside, they rename your channel, delete your content, and run crypto scams targeting your subscribers. Now, in the past few years, thousands of creators have lost their channels this way. It's even worse if you've gone past the stage where you were trying to reach 4,000 watch hours, or get your first 1,000 subscribers, or grow fast on YouTube. Whether you've passed that stage or not, losing your channel to something like this is the worst possible setback, because all your progress will be gone overnight. So, should you use a separate email for YouTube? Absolutely yes. And here's why it's one of the most overlooked YouTube channel tips out there. Most creators run their channel on their main personal Google account. Now, that same account holds their photos, their personal emails, their banking email notifications, and many more other important details. God forbid that you fall prey to just one compromised brand deal email. A hacker will have access to all this information. But a dedicated channel email keeps things separate. If that account ever gets hit, your personal life stays untouched. It also makes your business inbox easier to manage and monitor, which matters as your YouTube channel grows. Also, a separate email address gives scammers far less to work with, since your personal Gmail is probably already tied to old accounts and data breaches they can cross-reference. So, for YouTube account security, this is one of the simplest and most effective moves you can make. What I want you to do now is to create a new Google account, enable two-factor authentication, then update your more info page with the new email address. This shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to do. Going forward, there's something else you should know, whether your channel is brand new or already deep into your YouTube growth strategy. Now, a separate email protects your personal account, fine. But it doesn't protect you if you are still clicking every link people send to you. So here are some practical tips to ensure your channel's safety even more. Number 1, never rush to download attachments from brands that emailed you. What you should do is to go to their actual website, find their support page, and reach out yourself to confirm. Real brands will never mind when you take that extra step. Number 2, ask for documents via Google Drive instead of attachments. Doing this makes it possible for you to preview the files there with zero risk. Number 3, check every link using a link checker to see if it's harmful or not before clicking on it. Of course, if a threat is detected, you shouldn't click at all. Number 3, if an offer feels too big for where your channel currently is, please slow down, take it easy, okay? You know the size of your channel. So even if you feel honored to be getting brand deal emails, you should know when a deal is somehow unrealistic. It may just be a trap. Number 4, turn on two-step verification on every Google account you own. If you haven't done this yet, it's the single most important YouTube account security step you can take, more than any other setting inside the YouTube studio. So whether you're just starting out, trying to increase your YouTube subscribers, or you are already monetized, your channel is an asset worth protecting. YouTube monetization means nothing if someone can snatch your channel away with just one fake email. The fix is simple. Use a separate email for your channel's business activities, turn on two-factor authentication, and never download files from unverified senders. That's your YouTube channel security checklist right there. Share this video with a creator who needs to hear this. A lot of people have no idea this is even happening till it's too late. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.